Trying to decide between Shopify and Etsy for your online business? Let's break it down so you can pick the one that actually fits your goals. Shopify is the go-to platform if you want full control over your own online store. Whether you're selling physical products, digital downloads, or subscriptions, Shopify gives you your own branded website where you make the rules. You can scale as big as you want, customize your site, use your own branding, and even sell across multiple channels like Amazon, Facebook, and TikTok, all while keeping your customers' data and profits 100% yours. Etsy, on the other hand, is more of a marketplace. It's perfect if you're a maker, creator, or seller of handmade goods, vintage items, or craft supplies. Setting up shop is quick and easy, and you get access to a built-in audience that's already looking for unique, one-of-a-kind products. But keep in mind, Etsy takes listing fees, transaction fees, and you're just one of many sellers in a much bigger shop. So which one is better? If you want to build your own brand, grow long-term, and keep full control, Shopify's the move. But if you're just starting out and want to test the waters with minimal setup, Etsy might be the better fit. It's not about which is better overall. It's about what works best for you and your stage of business. Let me know in the comments which one you're leaning toward. And if you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe for more honest reviews and e-commerce tips every week. Catch you next time.